For 5 News, I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore. Weather impact alert day for today and tomorrow because we have those excessive heat warnings issued across the river valley. Everything you see shaded in pink here is where we have the potential of seeing those heat index values anywhere in that 110 plus region. Heat advisory issued for northwest Arkansas, parts of the river valley as well. Heat index values well into the triple digits, but falling just shy of the threshold to see that excessive heat warning. Here's a look at what you need to know over the next couple of days. Heat index values again anywhere between 109 degrees up to 112 is around the range that we're looking at. It's going to be important to find that AC, use that sunscreen, and drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated over the next couple of days. Here's the signs that you need to look for between heat exhaustion and heat stroke out there. There are a few differences, but a few key takeaways is if you're feeling faint or dizzy, if you're excessively sweating outside, or if you just start to feel uncomfortable, those muscle cramps that start to hydrate outside. It's trying to find that AC and also try to find a way to cool yourself down over the next couple of days of this excessive heat. Here's a look at the 24-hour temperature change. We had that rain across northwest Arkansas yesterday to start off the morning. That helped cool things down. So for today, it's about a 10 to 15 degree difference of that heat swing that we had for today. Temperatures getting much warmer, pretty similar across the river valley from yesterday to today. Temperatures feeling like we're well into the triple digits. We've been talking about this heat dome really starting to shift back off towards the east. We're going to see some excessive heat over the next couple of days. The good news, or somewhat good news, is that a cold front arrives by the end of the week, but it's not going to provide much in the way of any relief. Daytime highs for tomorrow. Again, those heat alerts already issued. Temperatures going to be into those mid to upper 90s across northwest Arkansas. 97 in Fayetteville, 95 in Huntsville, 95 in Eureka Springs, 96 in War Eagle, 95 in Pea Ridge, 96 Siloam Springs, and 93 there in Lincoln. Across the river valley, more than likely, a lot of places tomorrow are going to see those real temperatures reaching up into the triple digits. 100 in Paris, 100 in Fort Smith, Van Buren, down to Poto at 101, 100 even in Sallisaw, 98 in Ozark, 94 in Alma, 94 in Mountainburg, 96 down to Heavener. Of course, these are the real temperatures that we're looking at when it comes to the heat index values. That's why we have those heat alerts issued already. Across northwest Arkansas, we could see those heat index values anywhere from around 100 degrees up to 105. Across the river valley, we're looking around that 110 plus region during that peak heating hour for tomorrow. Again, this excessive heat is going to continue over the next several days, around that 105 up to 110 plus mark, at least through the weekend. Early signs right now are showing that some relief may come early into next week with that next cold front arriving, but we're going to have to wait and see if it's going to bring that much relief or not. Rain chances over the next couple of days against our next cold front is coming Thursday night into Friday. That's going to bring some decent rain chances, but also the chances of seeing an isolated thunderstorm or two. Those rain chances, while low, continue into the weekend for both Saturday and Sunday. Monday early into next week, low rain chances back again, maybe not as much as relief coming our direction. We're going to be seeing that storm chance with that level 1 marginal risk heading into Thursday night into Friday morning. Here's a look at those rain chances again late in the day on Thursday, really after dark. Going to see those rain chances start to pick up. Could see a few of those isolated thunderstorms as well. The higher risk for severe weather is going to be further up towards the north and further towards the east of us. We're definitely going to be on the tail end of things, but an isolated thunderstorm or two can't be ruled out overnight Thursday night going into Friday morning. But again, even though it's a cold front, it's very weak. It's not going to provide much in the way of any relief. Northwest Arkansas over the next 10 days, again, temperature is going to be climbing back up into those upper 90s really through the end of the work week. Over the weekend, some rain chances start to mix in there, and that's when we could see temperatures cool off just slightly. Still going to be in those low to mid 90s. Early next week, temperatures still into those low 90s. Hopefully we get some relief by the time we get to Monday, but low rain chances really not going to help us out much. That excessive heat expected to continue at least through the end of the work week. Hopefully early next week we see some signs of things changing around. Across the river valley over the next 10 days, again, weather impact alert day, not only for Thursday, but heading into Friday as well. Models are suggesting that we're not going to see enough relief to break us out of those excessive heat warnings. Could still see those heat index values anywhere from 105 up to that 110 plus region through the end of the work week, maybe even into the weekend. See those heat index values still into the triple digits. Again, some rain chances coming Thursday night into Friday. Could see an isolated thunderstorm or two. It's not going to provide much in the way of any relief, though. Temperatures still going to be into those mid to upper 90s through the weekend and into early next week. Low rain chances still continue. It's not going to help out our temperatures very much. Again, excessive heat over the next couple of days. It's important to stay hydrated. If you have to be outside, try to find some shade or try to cool off throughout the day. And that's your 5 News Extended Forecast. I'm meteorologist Stephen Elmore.